In this video we're going to describe how to save data using SAARecorder. Normally when we're saving data we'll want to record raw data as well as possibly some text data. It's important to record raw data because you can, after the fact, convert that raw data into various text formats. And with the raw data, if there happens to be a software update later on, that you still have the original data to work with. So the basic way to save raw data is click on the File menu and then Save Raw Data File, or you can click the spacebar as a shortcut. So when I do that, you'll notice a screen pop up here, recording, and as each sample gets recorded, the sample number will update. I'm in AIA mode right now, so it's going to record a sample approximately every 3 or 4 seconds with an averaging level of 1000. So right now it's recorded 5 samples, so we can stop it. Click the stop button, and then it'll prompt me for a raw data file name. You can browse, put it in the data folder. Just call it test data. Save. And you also have an option of creating a text snapshot file or some scan report files. The text snapshot file just gives you basic XYZ data for all the vertices of the SAA, as well as accelerations and rotation angles. The scan report files are a Microsoft Word doc file and also an Adobe PDF file that describes the shape of the SAA. So we'll click both of those and click OK. It'll take a second or two. And this is for the scan report for the Microsoft Word document and the Adobe PDF document. So we'll just click Generate Reports for those. And those files were created successfully. Okay. Also, with SAARecorder, you can elect to save data automatically at a predetermined interval. So I'll show how to do that. If you click on File, Auto-Save Raw Data Files, and then at the top left corner, click Auto-Record Raw Data Files. There's a number of options for configuring SAARecorder to save data automatically. Usually you're going to want to put the data into separate raw data files. So that's the option in the top right corner up there. You can also, if you want, put them into a single large raw data file, although it's usually safer to keep them in separate raw data files in case there's a problem, the computer crashes or you lose power or something like that. So, and you select a folder. We'll just pick the same data folder as before. You select a file name prefix, so each raw data file that gets created has the same prefix. We'll just call it raw data. And you can elect to either have a date-time suffix or a numbered suffix. So we'll pick date-time, and I'll just set the interval for 20 seconds right now so it's nice and fast for this demo. And we'll stop saving after a sample limit's reached. We'll just save 1 sample per file. And also for automatically saving raw data, you can create text snapshot files or atlas output files. So we'll just create a text snapshot file with each raw data file. And click OK. So in 20 seconds or less, we should see a raw data recording window pop up. There it is. And it records a sample and then closes, and then you see the countdown timer for when the next raw data will be recorded.